What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. I am here at Grand Design's world headquarters in Indiana, showing you one of the newest floor plans and one of the greatest ultra lightweight travel trailers in the entire RV industry. Today, we are taking a look at the 2026 Grand Design Imagine AIM Model 19 MLA. This is an incredible ultra lightweight travel trailer. Without further ado, let's begin. Model is the AIM 19 MLA. The actual tip length of this travel trailer is only 22 feet long, but you guys won't believe it. If I would have started on the inside, it is incredibly well designed and spacious. You would not believe that it's only 22 feet long, and that is tip to absolute tip. The dry weight's 4,361 pounds. The hitch weight is 478 pounds. We have 37 gallons of fresh water, 45 gallons of gray water, 37 gallons of black water. This is an incredible dual axle, ultra lightweight travel trailer from Grand Design. What I love about it is, first power tongue jack. What I love about it is the aim is to be lighter and cheaper, but there's still so many amazing Grand Design qualities. Propane tanks go here and your batteries go there. This is aluminum. It's not a fiberglass front cap, it's aluminum. You do have a diamond plate rock guard there. And then on the side, it's fiberglass sides with aluminum framing, okay? We do have manual stabilizing jacks. And very, very nice pass-through storage right there. A table does store underneath there. It is so, so nice. Coming on down, small travel trailer, lightweight, easy to tow, but you still have a huge power awning with LED lights. Also, it does have the Arctic insulation package. All Grand Designs do, or all the fiberglass ones do anyway. And I can't believe they're still giving you these amazing solid steps, the customized ones too, because again, this is made to be lighter, i.e. cheaper, but there's still so many amazing great qualities about it. And because it's Grand Design, they're giving you that best warranty, 1 year, 3 year, 5 year. Very nice. Okay, coming on right here, you have a nice grab handle to help get in and out of this travel trailer. And let me give you a little sneak peek. It is so well designed. And then look at these tires. They're the Tamaracks. They're the 215-75 R14 with standard suspension there. Power and a little bit of water hookup right there. It's going to be like a little spray port, so you can have like an outdoor shower. Okay. And then coming around the back, dang nabbit, no ladder to get up on the roof, okay? It does have the lip, it's prepped for the Lipper collapsible ladder, so you can get one of those if you want to climb up on the roof. It is a one-piece TPO roof. It's also prepped for the Furrion backup camera. And you do have a receiver hitch. That's good for like a bike rack or something like that. Not only that, it's 30 amp power right here. Whoa, yes, 30 amp power right there. Single AC unit, okay? Very nice. Coming on down, here's your black tank flush. You got a Suburban, nice tankless water heater. Right over here is where you dump your black and gray tank. Very nice. No slide outs on this travel trailer. Again, that's what helps make it so lightweight and easy to tow. But wait till you see how spacious it is on the inside. Storage for your Stinky Slinky. Potable water fill, potable. And then right here, it does have a 200 watt solar panel, 30 amp controller on the roof. And then right over here, it does have more storage pass through. And then right over here is your potable water fill, potable. Battery disconnect and everything. Guys, the outside of the Grand Design AIM looks great, but the inside looks even better. Come on, let's go take a look. All right, nice little bed area. Amazing theater seats. Storage right there. All right. Nice kitchen. Then a phenomenal bathroom. Guys, before we begin, this episode is sponsored by Liquefied, the best RV holding tank treatment in the industry. Guys, our sweepstakes ends in like 2 or 3 weeks on July 6th. Make sure if you haven't entered to win a free RV, we are giving away a $35,000 travel trailer for free. No purchase necessary. Just type in your name, phone number, email on Liquefied RV's website. And if you guys are buying Liquefied from our website, you get 10 bonus entries per dollar spent. This is one of the best giveaways we've ever done. We have so many free methods of entry. And guys, it's the camping season. You're buying Liquefied anyway. Buy it from our website. Buy it today. 2 weeks left, maybe 3 weeks by the time this video is live. All right, guys. Right over here is the bed. Very nice, good, spacious. You know what I'm saying? You got some lights up here, which is cool. There's a cubby here. It's not a big cubby, but it has power USB and USB-C. You got a nice window here with privacy blinds. And I must say, this is a comfortable mattress. And right over here, you kind of have like a nice little end table with power, USB, USB-C right there. And then above, you have storage. Now, there is no storage doors. I don't mind that. That saves money and weight. And with an ultra lightweight travel trailer like this, I think this is totally fine. There's that cubby, just so everybody could see it. And then right here, you have some great storage. As you can see there, nice little cubby underneath there. And there is a coat rack there. Right over here, we got great storage. Okay. And a nice little place for you to hang up your keys. Okay, check this out. Super duper nice theater seats here. Coming on in. Very nice. You got 4 cup holders on these seats. Cup, 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 cup. Right there, a remote control holder. And these seats do recline. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Not only that, what's so amazing, there's space here to walk through as well because it's not a real dinette. It's like a dinette type of bar. Super comfortable. You have a nice big window right here. And the TV sits directly across from the theater seats. There's the TV. You got storage there and storage there. Right over here is your controls. Awnings, lights, tank valves. You got a JBL speaker right there. And again, instead of a traditional dinette, you have this style of dinette. Love the bar stools. Look at the storage underneath there, which is so nice. And this just makes so much more sense. It's like a desk area. It's like bar stools. It's not your traditional dinette, which gives you so much more walk space here. It's absolutely fantastic. And before I show you guys the kitchen, you know what time it is? It's now time for the MSRP. Brr, 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 brr. MSRP on this travel trailer is right there. MSRP. Sale price for all the 2026s that we have is right there. And regardless, if you order one now, you'd be ordering a 2027. So regardless if you're ordering a 2027 or you're taking one of the 2026 sitting on our dealership lots, I know I can get you the absolute best price in America because I partner with Blue Compass, and Blue Compass is one of the #1 Grand Design dealerships in the entire world. So all you got to do is scan this QR code right there or click the link in the YouTube description down below. Go to bluecompassrv.com/campaign/bluebucks. I've also pinned a YouTube comment. Fill out that form. A member of my team will reach out to you. They're going to find the closest Grand Design dealership to you because we have like 30, 40, or 50 of them. And we're going to make sure you get the best price in America. Guys, reach out to our team. All right, let's take a look at this kitchen. Before I show you this kitchen, this could be kind of like flex space, kitchen pantry space if you want, or maybe some more storage space or bedroom space. Just because in a small travel trailer like this, it's like a studio apartment, okay? With that being a studio apartment, this kitchen is unfreaking believable. All right, we got a nice drawer there, nice drawer here, okay? Great storage, soft closed cabinetry. Let's go, phenomenal. Great countertop space right here. Nice little towel holder right there. And then check out this sink. Nice little squared off sink. Looks really good. You got the faucet head and everything. Little soap dispenser right there. Come on now. A trash can. So nice. All right. Nice little Envision hood range. And then notice how the kitchen countertop extends back there. That's perfect for like a coffee maker, I would imagine. I don't drink coffee, so I wouldn't know. All right. And then right over here. Come on. Wow. Great size refrigerator, especially for a small RV like this. I love how the stovetop turns red in case you like, you know, bump it or whatever. Cooking with contour, microwave. Okay, it is also an air fryer. Huge storage underneath there. And huge storage underneath there. This thing is a machine. Let's check out this bathroom. All right. In here we have an awesome shower. Good head height, nice width. I don't know if Will would pass this. For me, this passes. Bing! That's Will's shower test seal of approval. Here's what I do know. It's a very nice 30 by 36 shower. I don't know if his head would be touching. It would be very, very close. And I'm going to assume that it's not, but he's not here. So, Grand Design got away with it today. But again, and he might pass it, for this being such a small, ultra lightweight travel trailer, there might have been that close exception. Wow. Nice sink. Storage underneath. And, because see, we did the AIM yesterday, which you guys saw like a month ago, a couple weeks ago, and that shower didn't pass. So this one might not pass either. Here's what I could tell you. Really good leg space and everything, but this is a plastic toilet, so this is not a prime pooping position. Womp womp. Guys, that's it. That's the tour. Now, before you guys leave, it's time that I give you 3 things that I love about this unit and 3 things that I don't like about it. Dislikes are going to go first today. Dislike number 1 for me is going to be the fact that this is an awesome couples unit. By the way, I love the storage down below here. And I love that headboard. But dislike number 1 is going to be the orientation of the bed. Because it's orientated like that, if you have more than one person, they're going to be sleeping right there. And so that person needs to climb over this person to come out of the bed. That is dislike number 1. Dislike number 2 for me is going to be the fact that it's the Tamarack tires. Womp womp. Grand Design uses Goodyear Endurance tires on all their lines. They don't do it on the AIM, obviously because of price point, because this price point is fantastic. I get that and I understand that, but for me, that's just a personal dislike that I'm not super happy with. That's number 2, and then I got a dislike number 3. I feel like this is great space back here, but it's really unusable. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of a little awkward. I feel like you need to have, like, I can't even touch the back wall there. But again, I got little arms. So it just is what it is. That's 3 things we don't like about this unit. Now it's time for 3 things we love about it. May I contradict myself first? I must say I do love the kitchen. Even though that space is kind of weird and awkward back there, this is tons of kitchen space. You got to remember, and you know what? Maybe I should undo my dislike because I got to remember, this is 22 feet tip to absolute tip. Amazing. Love number 2, I love the bar stool style desk area. With that big window, you can sit inside and eat, you can work, but like it's not taking up as much space as a traditional huge dinette. That is number 2. And then love number 3, on the flip side, is these amazing luxury theater seats right here. This is so comfortable and nice. And here's the deal, y'all. Way too often on these ultra lightweight travel trailers, they sacrifice on quality with like sofa and furniture. Not Grand Design. They did it the right way. Give me awesome theater seats. I love that. Guys, that's it. That's the review. Thank you guys for joining me today. If you guys are interested in buying a Grand Design, scan that QR code right there or click the links down below. It's very important to me that you guys click the links down below, but then that also helps you because my team knows you watch the show and they're going to make sure you get one thing and one thing only. That's the best price in America. Make sure you guys buy Liquefied. We're giving away a free RV in about 2 or 3 weeks. Do not miss it. There's no purchase necessary, but if you do buy Liquefied, you get even more entries. Love you guys. Thanks so much. See you next time.